Speaking of confidence, how confident are you about the forecast?
Nick has been very stressed out.
I'm stressed for him.
Right.
There is this is a storm, Nick, that's given you some interesting twists and turns.
Yeah, it's a complicated forecast going into next week. You know, a lot of variables coming into play on the eventual outcome of how that storm impacts our area. So let's go through it together, and we'll talk more about that going into next week. First, we'll start off with what's happening now going into the weekend. I'm sure many of you trying to figure out your weekend plans. That forecast is a lot easier, right? We're not looking at any precipitation going into the weekend, nice and dry at this point. We do have some clouds coming through tonight. Satellite radar showing those moving through, but I don't have any rain with those coming across the valley. Certainly no snow at all in the Sierra. The showers with this system is missing us to the north this go around. So once you get beyond that and going into the daytime hours tomorrow, what we will see is being in and out of the cloud cover at times. Some clouds are coming in tonight, and then through tomorrow you'll notice some peaks of sunshine, especially across the Central Valley to the north, holding on to a bit more cloud cover through a better portion of the day. Temperature-wise, a chilly start. We're going to see those temps drop off quickly during the first part of the night and then kind of level out in the lower 40s tonight across the Sacramento Valley, down to low 20s there in the Sierra, getting into the early morning hours. Then as we get through the afternoon tomorrow, not a bad way to finish out the week here. 60s near 70. I think we'll see a few 70-degree readings across parts of the Central Valley into San Joaquin and Stanislaus County with a mix of sun and clouds. If you're heading to the Bay Area, expect mid-60s, and then also up in the mountains tomorrow, you'll be running into the low and mid-50s for high temperatures. And we're going to stay pretty similar day after day going into this weekend. Veterans Day on Saturday, holding on to mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Temperatures running upper 60s for the valley, and that will take us into the day on Sunday. Next week, it gets a lot more complicated because there's a lot of factors coming into the picture here. What we're going to begin to see is a Pacific storm system that's going to be off our coastline. Not quite an atmospheric river, but a Pacific storm that'll be interacting with some moisture down to the south and will be pulling it up to the north and also throwing a front our way. But this type of pattern, what you see here, is a very slow moving pattern. So in terms of the progression of that storm moving east, a lot of factors coming into the arrival of any precipitation here into northern California. Now, the confidence with this system is increasing that we will see something out of this with precipitation in terms of rain showers and snow showers, but some of the question marks regarding the storm's duration and its magnitude. How impactful will this system be? The good news is we got plenty of time to get through the next couple of days to narrow down some of those details. Having said that, the potential is there that this could be a significant storm for those up in the mountains with heavy snow and widespread rain for the valley. So again, the details on that in terms of how much precipitation we see, the snow levels, what elevation turns from rain to snow, and the overall progression of that system, we'll be narrowing that down for you in the days to come. In the short term, we do have the first alert action days as a result of that system. We're highlighting Wednesday, Thursday. We may start to see precipitation arrive as early as Tuesday and linger into Friday. So multi-days, but the exact impacts is just too early to get into the nitty-gritty on those details. Hunter?
All right, we know you'll stay on top of it.
Sure
Thanks,
will.
Nick.